Alright, what's going on, you guys? So today in this episode, I'm going to be taking out the camber arm that I have in the car now and replacing it with this here. This is an SPL front adjustable camber arm. These are the ones that my brother gave to me. These go retail for about $700 to $800, but these are for the 350Z or I believe G35 as well. So first, let's jack up the car, take off the tire, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so once you move your tire, you are gonna see your front suspension arm here. If you follow the 2 points here, you're gonna see that there is the 14 millimeters bolt, one on each end. You're pretty much gonna wanna loosen those. Loosen this nut here. You have to take off the cotter pin and unbolt that, and it should be able to come right out. Make sure you save this. So this here is a 17. So since I'm on bags, the bolt will not be able to come out. This is the bolt here. So there's one bolt here and there's another bolt on the other side. So I'm gonna have to spin this bag down in order for me to take the bolt out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one in now. So the directions say to grind down these two bumps here in the back of this arm. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off right now.
Cold, but your heart's colder. I will wait for you. The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself a fool. No point in trusting anyone.
One thing that I noticed is This SPL arm doesn't need a cotter pin, so just make sure you tighten down this nut pretty good. So I put the bag back up, I put the line back in, everything's bolted down, it feels solid, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw the emits on and see how they look.
There's nothing left for me to do but run and act myself a fool. No point in trusting anyone. Your eyes are diamonds, keep me up. Never thought that it could be this rough. No point in trusting anyone.
Alright guys, so this is it aired out. The A-arm is hitting the top of the strut tower, so I need to cut a hole so that way it has the full travel and this can air out all the way. So the front will pretty much be sitting on the ground once I cut that. Alrighty guys, there you have it. That's how you install your front camera arms in your 350Z or G35. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe. I've been getting a lot of good feedback from you guys lately, so I just want to say thank you, and I really appreciate all the support. I'm just a regular guy that likes to work on his car. But anyway, if there's anything that I can help you all with, make sure you drop a comment, or you can hit me up on my social media. Links will be in the description below. Until next time, I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.